Welcome to Solution Zone. Here you get videos on how to, tricks and tips, facts, answers, and many more. Hit the subscription button so as not to miss out any content from us.
Like clockwork, Samsung president and head of mobile division T.M. Rowe wrote a blog post this week, just weeks before the upcoming Unpacked press conference, which will focus on the company's foldable phone. This year's Galaxy Z, Fold 4 and Flip 4, we've seen what happened last year and now we expect Rowe to continue writing similar blogs with each fold and flip. Rowe has just hinted that Samsung has sold a large number of foldable phones in 2021 by referring to the figure of 10 million foldable phones during this period. When you think about it, 10 million units is a drop in the ocean for Samsung, whose smartphone sales regularly exceed 250 million units a year. These are all signs that Samsung's foldable phone, while doing well, is barely becoming a mainstream device, and although Samsung sells more foldables than anyone, it has virtually no competition. Some interesting Chinese foldable phones are not widely available. Not to mention that Samsung is running massive campaigns to convince buyers to try to stick with foldable phones. You can try the Fold 2 for 100 days and then return it. Or trade everything but the kitchen sink for the Fold 3, which retails for $1,799. The Fold 4 isn't out yet, but you can already save up to $200 on it by reserving the right to pre-order. Time will tell whether Samsung can keep up with the pace of foldable smartphone innovation without being pressured by real competitors. But that's where a foldable iPhone really comes in handy. Samsung won't rest on its title and write self-congratulatory blog posts every summer if a foldable iPhone is released just weeks after the last folding screen. Also, the longer it goes without a foldable iPhone, the harder it will be for Samsung to replace a traditional smartphone with a foldable device. And at 10 million units sold each year, this is hardly uncommon. That's because something else could kill traditional smartphones. Thank you for watching. Leave us your thought about this in the comments section. And for more updates in the technology world and Apple in particular, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. We hope to see you in our next video.